Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the language on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. Go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the left side of the screen go to the last button, the language, under the notifications. And in the game language section you can find Korean, Chinese, English and others, and just select one, for example the Korean, and click that, and just restart the app so you can use this selected language. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.